Using Lyft gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to pay for rides conveniently. Follow these steps to redeem and use your gift card effectively. Step 1. Purchase a Lyft gift card. You can buy a Lyft gift card from various retailers, online platforms, or directly from the Lyft website. Ensure you keep the card safe until you are ready to use it. Step 2. Access the Lyft app. Open the Lyft app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account if you haven't already. Step 3. Navigate to payment options. In the app, tap on your profile icon or the menu icon. Look for the payment or wallet section to manage your payment methods. Step 4. Redeem your gift card. In the payment section, find the option to add payment method or redeem gift card. Enter the unique code from your gift card and follow the prompts to apply the balance to your account. Step 5. Use your gift card balance. Once the gift card is redeemed, you can use the balance for your rides. When requesting a ride, the app will automatically apply your gift card balance as the payment method as long as there are sufficient funds. Now you're ready to enjoy your rides with Lyft using your gift card.